I know it's going to be a stressful day because I'm hosting an event today. I can't be that hoity-toity, tip-top. No, I'm sorry, I just can't. So I went there to cut my bangs also, and I'm getting Tere Naam vibes, you guys. Bruh. But the hairstylist was so angry. Little bit try to reduce the load on me today and take some responsibilities yourself.
Would I appreciate if you don't record all this shit?
Yes, I will, because people need to know your real face. No! Time for me to show Sagar's true face. Instead, everyone will be like, Papa Sagar's so Papa. I'll show you all how Papa he really is. And he's literally at home. Oh no, he's on the way. Guys, he's gonna be taking over my YouTube. I don't know what's gonna happen after this in my vlog. And he's making puri only because this vlog is being captured. दिखाओ भैया आपका body, आपका six pack दिखाओ भैया. Good morning, you guys. We just woke up, and today is a hectic, stressful, anxious, long day. And I'm vlogging this because I'm going to try and consciously make an effort to recognize when I'm getting anxious and to try and fix that. Okay. I've never really consciously done something like this, but I know it's going to be a stressful day because I'm hosting an event today, and I hate events, yeah, because I don't know, I love hosting like at home or something personally. If there's a function at home and all, I love hosting. Yeah, but if it is something that I have to do with influencers, creators, calling, trust me, I will tell you guys something.
What the dog doing?
I am talking to you all and also reviving my phone. Not reviving them. Not reviving. Can you help me with this, please?
No, please, not right now. I just want to sit and have this one of this. I'll come and do. What do you want
And
me
then
to do?
if you have partners like this who don't help you, then obviously you're going to be anxious, guys. So always marry someone who will help you in all your endeavors, who will support you,
Definitely.
who will help you be less anxious and be like, don't worry baby, if you're less anxious, I will take over today, I will do. Such is the impression my husband gives other people, but thanks
not
to
nice.
YouTube, it's all captured. Yes, Sagar is so Papa, you're so lucky to have him. See?
Only because I didn't do this, I am not what?
Then what, other husbands and all, how much they help?
I know what other husbands are doing also.
Okay, yeah, as I was saying, it's an event today and I have to call some influencers over. Lab grown diamond store today that I am going to and inviting people to. It's one of our friends' brands only. I am Hey, this is dead no. Yeah, as I was saying, it's a lab grown design store and it's one of our friends' stores only, which is why I agreed to do this. Otherwise, I really don't like hosting events. I'll tell you why, okay? Because firstly, I myself don't go to these events, okay? Like every day almost, we get so many invites to go this store launch, that is happening, this is happening, and I hate going to these events because trust me, some of these influencers are so shallow, like they will comment on every post on your Instagram, okay, every reel, they'll so much love on Instagram, but when you meet them in real life, they'll be like,
Ew, that looks disgusting.
oh hi babe, how are you? Oh. I can't do this. I am sorry, I am not built to fake it. Like wherever I go, I am one loud mouth. Okay, like I'll be like, if I find something funny, I'll be like, ah! And then everyone's going to give me looks. I'm like, I can't be that hoity-toity, tip-top. No, I'm sorry, I just can't.
I am sorry, Babu.
I am what I am and this is how I'm gonna be. So I hate going to these events for that reason, and then when I come back home, I'm so drained, you know, I'm like literally drained, and I live quite far away from the city a little bit. I don't find it worth it, to be honest, unless like it's a really good friend of mine who's hosting. There are some, I'm not saying all influencers like this. Yeah, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying like all influencers are like this, but some of them are, and some of them that I'm close to are genuinely nice. So whenever they host, I do try to make time for them, leave my work aside and go back. and I'm generally anxious because I like people to be treated well, hosted well, make sure they eat, drink. I know I need not mother them, but that's the anxiety in me. Like, go check, are they good, are they like alone? Because that's me at an event, right? When I'm in an event, I'm like, oh, somebody talk to me, oh, somebody be there, you know, that feeling. Like, initially this was when I was uncomfortable going to places alone. I let's say I used to be very scared to go to anywhere alone, even the mall alone, anywhere. I'm so like attached to Sagar. So then I slowly started detaching myself, going to these events alone, making myself uncomfortable so that at some point it'll be comfortable. And yeah, it's been going well so far. I will probably make another vlog on that. You let me know if you're interested to know how I try to detach myself and try to be like from a person who's scared to go out alone to like very comfortable spending time alone. Let me know if you guys are interested in watching. I will make a video on that. But yeah, so when I feel like that at events, I don't want someone else to feel that anxious, right? So I'm like on my toes all the time, and this store is 3 floors today, so good luck to my leg. It's the event starts at 4 and it's going to go on until 8, but I have to be at the store at 2 because I have things to shoot for my reel. So literally from 2 o'clock to 8 o'clock I'm going to be standing and on my toes today, you guys. And throughout this journey, my best friend ChatGPT is going to be helping me. And for now, I have painted my nails after a long time. I don't usually paint my nails, and it turned out like shit because obviously my nail paints are old, and then the clear paint that I used, it's turned almost yellow, so it has some bubbles and it didn't really do a good job, the clear coat. So that's why it looks like shit. I have to go get my hair washed, blow dried, glam up. Yeah, lots to do, you guys, but stay tuned.
Okay.
Obviously, starting my day with some meditation because nothing calms me down like meditation, man. So that's what we're doing. Asato Sagamaya Tamaso. I just cut my hair yesterday. So I went there to cut my bangs also, and I'm getting Tere Naam vibes, you guys. So let's hope after this hair wash it's not gonna stand this way. I always do this. I have left the house in my home chappal, going back up to wear normal chappal. Live in the moment, live in the moment. Man, live in the moment. Where is your hair? See, when you're anxious, your brain doesn't work. Oh, sorry. Bit out. No. Have curtain bands. Little bit natural wavy type. Tere Naam is gone, thank God. But the hairstylist was so angry. I wouldn't say rude, but I'm like, I barely talk to these guys. I did my nails also, by the way, when he was doing a blow dry. But in general, he didn't smile at me at all. Wait. Hello. I'm down. What is the problem? I'm down. Today is not a good day. Don't keep calling me 100 times. Everything you want to ask me. When can I shit? Can I go now? Can I do this? Ignore me today. Yeah. The hairstylist, I don't know why. He was just like, the whole time he's just like, thank you, I'm saying. Bro, these guys, I don't understand salon hairdressers and people at the salon. Either they are way too nice to you, or they'll be like this, like hating their job, hating their life, and we have to go there morning and sit with their energy. Like, is it so hard for people to just smile? I'm always like, hi, even if I'm having a bad day, I'm like, hi, how are you? I don't get people who are just like nonchalant. Are you trying to prove that you're nonchalant? Sagar, can I suggest you something? Today is a day where I'm very busy. Please don't call me to ask things like, can I go for bath? How long you're gonna take? You have my Find My iPhone location. In that, it doesn't take 2 seconds for you to check where is this girl, where is she, how long. Doesn't take. Little bit try to reduce the load on me today and take some responsibilities yourself.
Would I appreciate if you don't record all this shit?
Yes, I will, because people need to know your real face and your real body. time for me to show Sagar's true face. Instead, everyone will be like, Papa, Sagar, so Papa. See now, I'll show you all how Papa he really is. Just had a shower. Time to glam. It's 12:30. Oh my god. I need to reach the store at 2. I don't think that's happening. At least 2:30. So I have at least 1 hour to shoot. Yeah, my videographer, Prashant Raj. Even though however sweet he is, he's never on time. He purposely irritates the shit out of me. He knows I'm going to be very anxious today, but he's not going to make it easy for me. It's 12:30. Let's see what time he shows up. Hello. Yeah, 12:30 हो गया exactly.
मैं 15 मिनट में आ रहा हूँ
15 मिनट में ठीक है डन
जस्ट उठा हूँ बस जल्दी हो गया
ओके प्लीज जल्दी आओ he's gonna come in 45 minutes mark my words he said 15 minute this is proof wait for his 15 minute just a little concealer because this is really full coverage. I'm taking the same brush. Before you ask me which plucker. Wearing a brown dress, so I want to do some brown eyes. We are making some hampers like takeaways. Look at this personalized writing. They get like a candle, some chocolates, a trinket tray, and like a ring holder. So I want to do a brown eye look. Oh, I love this. Look at this. I'm not so pro also to do something like this, but how do you do it? I don't have the right products, but I'm gonna try. Okay, I'm going with the Skiro Eye Stack, the last shade. Oh my god, this does not look brown in any angle. What the hell? Look at this shade here and look at this shade here. I guess. Oh yeah. I guess. This yuck. What happened? Huh?
पहचाना मुझे
What do you want? Hi Sophia. Your wish, whatever works for you. Okay, done. Thank you so much, Sophia. Bye. She was my hairstylist. She did my hair for my wedding. Yeah, she's great. She's like a celebrity hairstylist, and I'm so glad that she's able to make it. Abba, I'm stressed now. It's already 1. It's 1. I have to have lunch. And he said no. 15 minute mein main aa rahi hu, ma'am. 15 minute. It's half an hour. I told you guys. I got this as a freebie. Oh yeah, I got this on Amazon. It's the dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury one. This is my trademark. The inner corner glitter eyeshadow is Manar Raj trademark. Red. Relax. Breathe. Don't freak out. This is what I'm gonna tell myself. I'm freaking out, but I'm like, yeah, 12:33 now. It's 1 o'clock. मैं बस आ रही हूँ.
जिस व्यक्ति को कॉल किया है वो अभी दूसरे कॉल कॉल पर व्यस्त है।
I have his find my iPhone because I don't believe him. And he's literally at home. Oh no, he's on the way. He's on the way. Whew. We need to be ready before he's here. Rama's here. Sagar, can you please help me? Can you make puri? I will have lunch and I'll leave. What are you doing?
Why can't you tell your fucking YouTube that I am such a great husband?
I know you're not.
You only tell I am troubling you for this, that.
Now see, to make one puri so much. Don't make puri. Don't make. I will make myself.
Breakfast for you every day.
Leave it, baby. Leave it. Oh shit, I completely forgot. I have to remove all my jewelry because I will be wearing the brand's jewelry. But I will wear my wedding ring. It's a ring studio. So the event that it is, it's Bangalore's first ever ring studio. This is a lab grown diamond store. And I'm currently brushing my wedding ring so it brings some shine. Brush your diamonds and gold jewelry for that extra shine always. And it's a ring studio basically for all kinds of engagement rings. It's a store only for rings. Also the reel that I'm doing is about that. Like it's about wedding rings and stuff. So I'm gonna wear my wedding ring. I like it. But let's see what they have in store. This is the dress that I'm wearing. I like to use this Fenty Beauty Butter Drop Hydrating Body Milk. Let me show you the difference. You see that glow? Oh my god. It's too good, you guys. It's a little expensive for sure. 2,000 to 3,000 rupees. It's expensive because it's Fenty. It's Rihanna, honey. She's not gonna keep her products affordable. Don't forget the back. I don't use it every day, I only use it on days like this when I have to do something for that shine. And sometimes if you want, I go ahead, Patrick Tub, High Shine Nourishing Body Oil. Let's do it because it's a jewelry brand and we can't go extra. Just a little spritz of that. Oh, my body is glistening and it's got to because it's a jewelry brand.
Oh my god! Wow!
For perfume, I'm going with this Valentino, and the reason I'm holding like this is because I just used all this body milk and oil and I'm clumsy AF. Only lipstick is left and I'll do that after having lunch. सब YouTube में कैप्चर हुआ है तुम्हारा 15 मिनट 12:30 को तुझे बोला 15 मिनट में आ रही हूँ गाइज इट्स प्रूफ 1:15 राइट नाउ
बट 1:30 को आना था
नहीं तूने बोला 15 मिनट और एटलीस्ट नहा के आते प्रशांत
नहा के आए
प्लीज
शकल से पता नहीं
आई कैन स्मेल यू
अच्छा तो है
अच्छा तुम्हें है
बहुत महंगा परफ्यूम है
महंगा परफ्यूम लगाया
हाँ
वेरी नाइस डजंट स्मेल लाइक इट
Emotional damage.
लड़कियों का परफ्यूम जैसा नहीं है ये एक बार स्प्रे करो पूरा एकदम नहीं करो
ओह शाहरुख खान पता है शाहरुख खान इज द मोस्ट द बेस्ट smelling person. I don't have time for your crap, Prashant. Guys, he's gonna be taking over my YouTube. I don't know what's gonna happen after this in my vlog. God only should help. Okay, guys, Sagar is being a good husband now, and he's making puri only because this vlog is being captured. Otherwise,
Easy for the vlog.
he wouldn't be doing.
भैया पहले टी शर्ट लेस हो के कर रहे थे फिर मैंने स्नैप बनाना स्टार्ट किया बॉडी बनाया दिखाना तो पड़ेगा
करेक्ट दिखाओ भैया आपका बॉडी आपका सिक्स पैक दिखाओ भैया
Yeah, Didi, खाओ.
This is my final look. But yeah, the biggest task for me today is I'm wondering how I'm gonna handle this guy for 6 hours. 6 whole hours of his bakwas.
Die.
Really, death only, death guys. Prashant! You dare sit on my bag?
अरे पता गुची का है 2000 का ज्यादा होगा महंगा तो होगा
2000 है.
2000 महंगा Gucci bag, correct. I'm literally ready and I'm waiting for my dear husband here who is making me wait on a day like my event. He's making me wait because his car is parked behind my car. So if I have to remove, he has to remove. Same thing if I did for him and he had to go somewhere. No, oh, it would have become a big scene by now.
What to do? Prashant doesn't even know driving, or else he could have taken.
Sagar, don't joke. Come fast. See guys, it's proof that I'm not stressed.
भैया आप अगर करेक्ट बता दिए तो मीनार मैम आपके लिए कर
Like this.
क्या शॉट?
Wow.
ना ना हम
हिंदी में बोल सकते हो तुम.
नहीं बोलेगा भाई
कन्नड़ा में बोलो कुछ.